In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable local files in Google Gemini Windows app. If you use Gemini on your Windows PC, you may have noticed it can integrate with files stored directly on your computer to provide richer answers. That can be helpful, but there are times when you might prefer to keep everything local out of reach, especially on shared devices or when working with sensitive documents. The good news is, turning off local file access takes just a moment, and you can switch it back on whenever you need. Start in the Gemini Windows app. In the top corner of the window, look for your profile icon. This is typically your photo or an initial inside a small circle. Click that icon to open the account menu. This is also a good moment to confirm you're using the correct account if you have more than one signed in, since the setting applies per account. In the menu that opens, click Data and Privacy. This will take you to the privacy controls for the app, where you can manage what Gemini can access on your device. The page may include brief explanations next to each option, so take a second to read them if you're curious about what each control does. Find the setting labeled Local Files. This control determines whether Gemini can read files saved on your computer to provide assistance. To disable access, toggle Local Files off. The switch should change its appearance, often moving to the left and turning gray, indicating that it's disabled. Some versions may display a short notice reminding you that certain file-based features won't work while this is off. That's expected. Once the toggle is off, Gemini will stop using your computer's local files in its responses. This change applies immediately and does not delete or move any of your documents. Your cloud files and anything you explicitly upload will continue to follow their own permissions and settings. If you ever want to restore local file access, simply return to the same place and switch it back on. If you don't see the local files option, make sure your Gemini app is up to date. Then check again. Interface labels can vary slightly with updates, but the option will remain under Data and Privacy. That's all there is to it. Click your profile, open Data and Privacy, and toggle local files off. By taking a moment to adjust this setting, you keep tighter control over what the app can access on your device, while still benefiting from Gemini's other features. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tailor Gemini to your privacy preferences.